Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to insert a alarm clock in MS Word. This guy is very easy. First click on insert. Here you see insert option is available. Click on it. And here you see symbol option is available. Click on it. And here you see symbol option is available. Click on it. And click on more symbols. Font select this one. Subset select this one. Character code is 23F0 and click insert. How much can you add it? And shortcut key is also available 23F0 Alt plus X. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment. And this video is useful or not, please comment.